It's also a very nice day on the 9th of November 2023. Here is Päivän polku, Kvarningsstigen. Forstig see here. It's Veräjällä också, Grindal. First to the Veräjämäki, Grindbacka light rail stop on the light rail line 15 here in Oulunkylä, Ogilby, Heskelsfors, Finland. The capacity is 4 persons or 340 cars. They shall have it on 9 doors and 5 doors. Built in 1998. Turning 25 years old this year. 2023 in December 14431. We expect in 2025. Let's get to it. I love the smelling here.
Same here.
Like the sound here.
Same.
And this could be the beginning of 1998.
Yeah. Yeah. He's the device that maintained by Spawn Hissi.
But late in 1998 they also got the worst I.G.V buttons.
Yeah.
But these are still very good buttons.
Yeah. That's